To book using a specific cache feature, start by typing the website's URL into your web browser and searching for it. The first option that appears will likely be the website's homepage, which you can access by clicking on it. Once on the homepage, locate the login button and enter your email and password information to gain access to your account. Upon logging in, you'll see various sections, including your profile, photos, homes, transport, coupons, and deals. In the top right corner, click on your profile name to access a drop-down menu with options such as bookings, property, messages, cash, and rewards. Select the cash option, which allows you to earn and redeem cash quickly and easily. This feature enables you to save money effortlessly, and you can view your total available balance, as well as sections for redeemed and expired cash. To earn cash, look for a specific icon when booking, which indicates how much cash you'll receive. You can then redeem your cash for savings during the payment process, where you'll see the option to use it. By following these steps, you can take advantage of this cash feature to save money on your bookings.